Hey, what's up, Yaks? I'm out here actually at my property in Michigan, and we are collecting some maple syrup, well, maple sap, which we'll make into syrup over the weekend. One of our hobbies as a family. Some of our collection buckets here, we actually have about about 30 trees tapped on the property back here. So I'm always trying to do something outside. That's just one of our passions as a family, and me personally, obviously. And that's what we'll be kind of talking about tomorrow at our AMA. So we really want to introduce. I know some of you have been around the project a while and know the team, but we want to introduce our passion, why we're starting YakDAO. While we've been working on this project for nearly 2 years now without any kind of, income off of it really. And so I think, there's just a lot of opportunity here in the space and getting more people outdoors and revolutionizing access to just beautiful pieces of real estate. So we'll get more into the details. Looking forward to having you guys tune in tomorrow at 9:30 Eastern Time on our Twitter Spaces AMA. And we'll share a little bit about myself, about Kim, who's actually my wife, and her background as a crypto speaker, as well as, bringing our family out to the property in North Carolina, where we've actually worked to build that out together. And then Brent, who I've worked with for nearly a decade through multiple projects. So you guys will get a bit of our history, our working history, our passion for the project, and just the vision of where we want to go. Look forward to chatting with you guys tomorrow.